Hello, upcoming entrepreneurs. Welcome back. This is Mr. Make a Million, and I'm going to share what are the businesses you can start and change your financial situation from 0 to $1 million. Remember that thinking big and taking action is the key to success. Enough of that intro. Let's get into business. Our business idea today would be different than the usual e-commerce businesses we've discussed. And how else I'm going to drop this? Because our business model today is about drop shipping. You may have heard once or twice during your research on business or some success stories in the social media. That's because drop shipping is the most known type of online business that is recommended for everyone. Dropshipping may be the business recommended for young entrepreneurs like you. Not only that, an average dropshipper with a successful store earns about $100,000 a year. Also, the dropshipping business revenue in 2020 gathered up to more than $4 billion, which also has guaranteed increase of 7% of revenue per year. Can you believe that? So why dropshipping? Not only is it super cheap to start, it is also one of the most hassle-free businesses out there. But just like any other businesses, you'll have to adjust to the complexities this business has and put hard work in it if you want to be successful. Now, amidst all the pandemic and chaos, and to the unfortunate circumstances people are facing, you can take advantage of this and start your dropshipping business with a capital as low as $100 or even lower. Because that's how cheap and easy it is to start a dropshipping business. And today, we're specifically going to tell you on how to start on your very own dropshipping business and what are the things you should be aware of. So without further ado, let's get to the topic of the things you need to know about dropshipping if you don't have the knowledge of it. First of all, what is the dropshipping model? Dropshipping is setting up an online store that would receive orders from customers. However, you are not the one who would comply with the order because a supplier would take care of all of that for you, and all you have to do is give them the order and everything would be taken care of. Dropshipping also makes you like a middleman who is receiving and sending orders while profiting at the same time. The entire process of dropshipping is also automated, and all you have to do is manage your shop to keep the workflow smooth. Second, how does dropshipping works? It is really simple if you put your mind into it, since you don't have to do anything that is stressful, such as managing your inventory or struggling to sell your items to immediately get what you paid for. Because dropshipping is when a customer places a cheeseburger order for $10 and the chef cooks it for you, and since the chef has all the ingredients, he makes it for $7. Then he sends it to your customer, and finally you profit $3. Simple, right? Now that you have the basic idea of what dropshipping is, let's get into the things you'll need to know to start your dropshipping business. Number 4. The business cliched niche. A niche is your main way on attracting customers. Always make sure to choose a niche product that has a lot of potential buyers but low competition. It'll take you every nook and cranny to find one, but your effort should be worth it. You just need to be unique on your products and have the following: a good reputation, an organized online shop, certifications, uniqueness and quality of products, and most importantly, prices. Customers would always choose on who has the better price, no matter the legitimacy, and entrepreneurs would like to take advantage of this to gain more profit by lowering their prices. So how do you battle it out? Well, that brings us to number 3. Your very own online shop is your stronghold. Having your own proper online shop would not only give you certain advantages such as credibility, flexibility, freedom, and business scalability, which online shops such as Amazon or eBay cannot offer. And if you're wondering on how to make one, Shopify, Wix, or Square can easily help you out without needing any knowledge to code or program. And everyone can use their site builder. You can also hire freelancers to do the honor of building your own website for a price of $10 to $40. Shopify can also help you automate your business by providing Overflow, which provides straightforward connection between your customer's order and your supplier with just one touch. Number 2. Finding the right supplier. Suppliers or wholesalers or manufacturers are the most essential part of your dropshipping business, and you can mainly find them in multiple sites such as Facebook, Alibaba, AliExpress, or even Amazon. You'll have to contact or email them, as well as establish a contract and a deal that will be beneficial for both of you. Also, you will need to take note of these followings to ensure you're looking at the supplier that you want. Check their certifications. You need to be aware of scammers or any loss in quality of your products. Align manufacturing and shipping locations to your needs. Shipping fees are a thing, so to keep your budget minimal, keep your locations close. Look for expertise in your product type and target market. A supplier that excels in a specific product type is likely to have more inventory and quality-ensured products. Find out if you can make enough of what you need. Consistency is a must. And so, any loss in stock and inventory would not necessarily put you at loss, but can prevent you from earning profits. Always choose the right supplier or manufacturer, because they would play a huge role in turning your dropshipping business into a jaw-dropping success. Number 1. Endorse your products. Most important part in scaling your business is by sharing it through social media sites and putting the link on your online shop in the description. There are many ways you can go on through this. Examples are setting up a page on Facebook for free. Not only do you attract attention, but you're also setting up another gateway to your shop. Sponsoring influencers or YouTubers to endorse your product and your shop for $50 to $100. It's effective but pricey. Hiring marketeers, that would take a pay-through commissions, which is around $5 to $10. Probably the best way to do so, since it saves you a lot of trouble. Creating advertisements for your products and linking it to your shop. It does require a freelancer and could cost around $200 to $500, but it is a long-term investment and would help you scale your business faster. Now, those are the ways you can start scaling and starting your business, but still remember that a dropshipping business requires patience, time, and dedication. If you can offer all of those 3 requirements, you can start gradually earning 6 figures a year and create a lasting business that will be worth your investment. And now that we've got those out of the way, let's move on to our final verdict. Why should I start dropshipping business? Now, if you want to earn a decent income by starting your side business, then dropshipping is definitely worth it. However, if you want to make lots of money in a short amount of time, then dropshipping is definitely not worth it. For dropshipping to work successfully, you will have to invest time, money, and effort. And we are going to tell you the pros in dropshipping that you should know. Number 1. Less capital is required. As we've mentioned, you can start a dropshipping business for a capital as low or lower than $100. Since you don't have to purchase a product unless you've already made the sale and have been paid by the customer, you also don't have to invest big money into buying products in bulks. So you can start your business once you find a source of products and start your successful dropshipping business. Number 2. Easy to get started. Running an e-commerce business is much easier when you don't have to deal with physical products. But dropshipping, you don't have to worry about it. Managing or paying for a warehouse, packing and shipping your orders, tracking inventory for accounting reasons, handling returns and inbound shipments, continually ordering products, and managing stock level. Number 3. Low maintenance. A dropshipping business can be run as a home-based business, and in a matter of fact, most successful dropshipping businesses are all home-based because all you need is an internet and a device to reprimand all your dropshipping business needs. Number 4. Flexible business. As long as you can establish a connection to your suppliers and your customers, a dropshipping business can be run at any place and at any given time. Number 5. Wide selection of products to sell. Since you don't have to pre-purchase the items you sell, you can offer an array of trending products to your potential customers. If suppliers stock an item, you can list it for sale on your online store at no additional cost. Number 6. Beginner's business. Dropshipping is the best business to start with if you are a new entrepreneur because it's easy and cheap to start. You can also test your skills by starting with this business and gradually move on to more ambitious type of business models. Number 7. Easier to scale. More orders, more work, more profit. By leveraging dropshipping suppliers, most of the work to process additional orders will be borne by the suppliers, allowing you to expand with fewer growing pains and lesser incremental work. Now, dropshipping is not as easy as you think. Just like any other business, dropshipping has its own fair share of difficulties, and these are the things you need to remember to avoid any mistakes that will lead you to your doom. Be patient, expand gradually, do not rush your decisions, and do your research. Don't get ahead of yourself. Just because you're seeing progress doesn't mean it's successful. Think about your niche. Choosing the wrong one would put all your hard work in vain. Keep it affordable. Customers always want the best deals. Keep everything secure and safe. Your online shop would be organized, your product should be clear and concise, and your shipment time should be listed as later than the estimated time. Customers are important. Your customer support should be astounding, if anything, since it will influence your reputation and credibility. Well, I guess that's all the advice and tips we can give you for your business career. We hope that you have a beautiful day and wish you luck on your side as you start your business. Remember, there is success in every failure, but no failure in success. Keep trying and keep living. Now, thanks for watching. We hope you learned well from this financial advices that we've shared. Please like and subscribe to the channel so that we are able to post more business tips to help you out. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more videos just like this. And again, this is Mr. Make a Million out. And I hope you're prepared to make a million. Mr. Make a Million out.